All right, got one more group with the 143 Bondstrike and Retumbo. It's been going a little slow. I know what all your stupid Federal plus peak guys are going to be saying. Well, my 6.5 Creedmoor will shoot that faster. Well, let's see it shoot small.
Same hole?
2936.
All right, no pressure. Put it in the same hole. Oh, yeah. All right, Austin, what are your thoughts of this?
This thing is ridiculous. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am really excited. I'm finally shooting a Sako S20 in 6.5 PRC. I've just heard amazing things about this. The owner of the rifle has been showing me the groups and they are incredible. This gun really could be one of the best factory rifles that you can get. I've also brought out my Weatherby Mark V Deluxe and 340 Weatherby. I'm gonna have my friend Justin shoot it prone for the very first time. That should be really funny to watch, so let's get in. No better way to celebrate America by shooting a beautiful walnut stock in a very high recoiling Magnum. All right, Justin's gonna shoot the 340 Weatherby prone. We are testing out some old IMR 7828 SSC. I just want to make sure there's some lot-to-lot consistency. Are you excited?
Oh, I can't wait to be your guinea pig for this one.
All right, so what I want to be seeing is anywhere from like 2935 to 2950. If we are high 2900s, don't think this is going to be safe to shoot going forward. 2927. I think it's safe. Here it is, the legendary Sako S20. Now, Justin, is this gun even still made? I'm not sure if it is.
It's still manufactured, but I heard they aren't shipping any to the States.
Okay, so you can't really get this gun anymore. This is in 6.5 PRC, 24-inch barrel. This gun has shown to be extremely accurate. For the Sako, we're gonna first shoot with Retumbo, the 150 ABLR. After that, we are going to shoot the 143 Bondstrike with Retumbo. .2839, 2859 on the Athlon. This is a mild load, obviously. Almost touching, right? 2849 on the Athlon.
Yeah, those are half or less. I think you just went through the same hole.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Not the greatest SD. All right, folks, on YouTube, we're going for the top left target. .2887? Yeah, it did not jump up in velocity much.
Yeah.
Who's the rude person behind us?
It's my buddy Brian.
Oh. Okay, it's still subbing him away.
Yeah, good. Good.
It's like a 3/4 inch group.
Oh yeah, that's a good group.
I think I had some heavy bolt lift on that.
29, 24.
Oh yeah, there's an ejector mark.
Yeah.
This is the Hornady brass.
Read.
Oh, I loaded this way too mild. Gosh dang it.
Is that your beginning load?
Yeah.
2932.
It's looking okay. Two in the same hole?
Nice. Yeah, that's a good group.
Way too slow. All right, got one more group with the 143 Bondstrike and Retumbo. It's been going a little slow. I know what all your stupid Federal plus peak guys are going to be saying. Oh, my 6.5 Creedmoor will shoot that faster. Well, let's see it shoot small. $29.45. Still slow poke.
Same hole?
$29.36.
All right, no pressure. Put it in the same hole. Oh, yeah. All right, Austin, what are your thoughts of this?
This thing is ridiculous. This gun.
And I personally have shot at least 3 groups under a 1/4 inch. I've never done that with any other gun before.
Yeah, this gun is special. It's really good. Just got back from the range. What an awesome day with that Sako S20 and 6.5 PRC. It shot just about everything really well. So we started with the 150 ACUBON long range, and wow, 0.33 5-inch group, average velocity of 2862 feet per second. The ES is kind of a theme today. We're going to talk about that when using Retumbo with the 6.5 PRC. ES wasn't great. It wasn't bad, but it could be a lot better. But 0.33 5-inch group, very impressive. We did go up 1 whole grain, and we got over 2,900 feet per second. ES is a little worse, and then that's a 3/4 inch group. Not great, not bad, but overall, I mean, the ABLR is kind of a picky bullet, so I would call this a win. The first group with the 143 Bondstrike and Retumbo, you know, pretty low velocity there, 2920. Not very happy with that, but that's a half MOA group, put 2 in the same hole there. Pretty darn good. I'm pretty happy with that. And then, highlight of the day, went up half a grain, 2960 feet per second, woof on the ES. Not particularly good. That's 1/4 MOA, guys. That's pretty awesome. Now, Retumbo. Guys, Retumbo is one of my favorite Hodgdon powders. It's up there with H4831SC, that it just shoots small in everything, no matter what. And that's kind of what our situation was today, is a no matter what. I did a video over a year ago saying I wouldn't recommend Retumbo unless you're shooting the heaviest bullets in 6.5 PRC, especially with a shorter barrel, just because it's too slow burning of a powder. I'm going to stick by what I said, okay? Yes, it shot really small in 3-shot groups, but the ES is showing, I just don't think it's burning all the way still, even in this 24-inch barrel Sako. But Retumbo just shoots small. It's one of those powders that just works in everything. Everything I've tried it in, it just shoots small. So there's a little bit of a trade-off. So you either shoot the heaviest bullets and push it a little harder. I didn't do that today, unfortunately. Or you're just going to have to deal with crappier ES.